I recently bought a used 24 Ford Maverick pickup, and it came equipped with pretty much everything I need. However, there are a few bits and bobs that are needed to complete the experience. Since I have a 3D printer, I decided to search MakerWorld for accessories specifically designed for this truck and some other stuff just for fun. Let's start easy with this Ford logo keychain. A simple enough multicolor print that only needed to change colors once, so as little purge as you can expect. I printed this in PLA because the keys are unlikely to be in extreme heat for long, and because it's the only filament that I have multiple colors of. Next, to my surprise, the center console in this truck is very deep, but that's it. It's just a pit. It'll end up being a junk drawer unless I do something about it. Something like this center console tray organizer. Now, I can keep at least a few things near the top. The design had the option to leave this pass-through hole or print it filled as another section. This is printed in ABS. It was my first time printing in ABS and I only have it in black. ABS can withstand extreme heat without warping, which is important since the cabin of a car sitting in the sun in the summer is bound to heat up. Up next is something to address this rather awkward design choice next to the infotainment screen. There's no shortage of clever little storage compartments in this truck, and I guess this is one of them. They got rid of this for the 25 model year when they made the screens larger, but I'm not complaining. This screen is larger than the 22 Wrangler I previously drove. I found this cubby insert which does two things. First, I get to use it like a tiny drawer and keep something out of sight. As an homage to the aforementioned Wrangler, this ducky can sit in there for now. Secondly, the designer added the Ford Fits insert to the front of this cubby. Now I can add Fits accessories to this print. And this is also printed in ABS. Speaking of, what can't you get enough of in any vehicle? That's right, cup holders. Here's one that works with the Ford's Fits system. And yes, I know the S in Fits stands for system, and I'm saying system, but I don't know what else to call it. I can add it up front to that cubby or back here where there's another slot. The single cup holder is also printed in ABS. Speaking of, I need better transitions, someone else designed both the male and female molds of the Ford Fits accessories. Whatever. Printed as is, they don't exactly fit snugly, so I was skeptical. I was interested in the male mold to use as a sort of cap or placeholder for any open slots to keep them covered. And they do fit nicely. These are printed in ABS, but I would like to introduce another color here for some variety. Next, we move outside for the final two accessories I printed. I was looking into different options for trailer hitch receiver caps to, well, cover the receiver, but also to add some more character to the truck. That was until I saw this little beauty. Yes, a tiny whittle twailer hitch for this tiny whittle twuck. Now, this is printed in PLA again because I wanted to use different colors and I only had ABS in black, so I don't expect it to last long, but that's okay. When it eventually warps, I'll replace it with a cap or maybe a real hitch should I tow something in the future, but for my needs, I mostly haul things. The last print on the outside has to do with the tailgate. Ford seems to have moved away from badging in favor of stamping the tailgates, but that doesn't mean I can't add something. But first, I need to remove the free advertising CarMax added on there, if not for the simple annoying fact that they couldn't even put it on straight. Fortunately, it's easy to peel off, which is a little bummer as I was looking forward to using my heat gun. WD-40 does a decent job at dissolving adhesive residue if you've got nothing else handy. Now for the final print. It's my own badging since Ford wouldn't do it. I went back and forth for a while whether it should be F50 or F050. The community seems to be torn on the debate, so let me know in the comments which one you prefer. But I wanted to go with F050 as it seemed funnier to me. I used this 3M super strength molding tape that's made for automotive use cases and spent an obscene amount of time trying to line things up perfectly. As I was working my way from right to left, I made a game time decision to go with F50 instead, as I thought it was already getting a little too long and I wanted to roughly keep it in size with the hybrid badge on the other side of the tailgate. But there we have it, a tiny trailer hitch and appropriately scaled down number badging for this mid-sized, average, some would say, truck. That's everything I made so far. There are a few more things I can think of that I want to add to this vehicle, but I couldn't find designs online for. So I might have to make some myself. Maybe that's a future video if I make something cool enough. We'll see. Let me know down below if you have any 3D printed accessories in your truck, or SUV, or sedan, or golf cart, or whatever you drive. Thanks for watching.